In this video, you will learn about what is MetaTrader 4, how to use MetaTrader 4, and when it is used.
MetaTrader 4 is a Forex trading platform. It's a software that you download onto your computer and you can easily access it from your desktop. As you can see here, here's my MetaTrader. All I do is double click it and the platform will appear. On this platform you have the ability to buy and sell currencies. On the left here you see all the different currencies, the current prices that they're trading at, and two charts that I've chosen to give me data on where these currencies have been trading. You can add as many charts as you like. You can add technical analysis by dragging and dropping certain indicators onto the charts. Placing trades is fairly simple too. Double click the order. You see the trade in front of you. This gives you direct access to buying and selling currencies. Now what makes MetaTrader 4 different than a lot of the other platforms on the market is the automated trading feature. In MetaTrader you can actually program codes to place specific trades. You can give it rules. For example, we can build a CCI expert advisor that says whenever this crosses a certain level on a 15-minute chart, buy, sell, things of that nature. Now some of these systems can be very complicated and you don't need to know any of the programming behind it. All you simply need to know is how to get it running on your MetaTrader. Usually you download the system. If someone else built it, you buy the system, download it, you put it into your MetaTrader, you find the rules that you read about what it's using to trade off of. So it's probably going to have a specific currency pair and a certain time frame. So then you just drag, you drop it on the chart, and it begins to scan the market. When it reaches those certain parameters, it's going to place a trade. So it'll automatically put the order on, and you won't have to do a single thing. That's one of the highlights of the MetaTrader platform. And you know, there's a lot of features on here, and if you watch some of the other videos on our sites, you'll get to know what all of these features are. But MetaTrader 4, in summary, is most famous for the ability to use these automated systems. And if you're interested in which automated systems are running the best this current month or this current week, just visit the review section on our site, and if you're interested in one of those, just go ahead and